One of the challenges of leaving an offsite is that the energy is super high, everyone feels very aligned. The real work happens when people sit down and focus and actually develop their plan. I'm Sheila. I'm the head of marketing operations here at Asana.
I'm here to show you how I use AI Teammates for strategic planning.
I'm responsible for ensuring that all marketers are connecting their work to Asana's most strategic priorities. I'd love to introduce you to my AI teammate, the Marketing Strategic Planner. After a major planning offsite, I was responsible for ensuring that 15 plus people were translating all of the great insights into actionable work in Asana. This is where AI came in. I developed an AI teammate to help me go through all the connected projects and portfolios and ensure that it was meeting our best practices and standards. The standards that I'm feeding my AI teammates have a lot to do with best practices to ensure that once these projects and portfolios are initiated within Asana, there's enough for somebody who is maybe not in the room to understand the background, the goals, the KPIs, and the things that we have decided as a leadership team. This is a real project that I use to manage all of the action items that came out of our onsite. The work ahead was to translate what was decided in the onsite into actionable tasks and projects within Asana. What I did with my AI teammate was say, these are the instructions that I want you to follow, and I would like you to assess whether or not the projects that are homed in our strategic priority folder are meeting the standards that I outlined in this task. As you can see, right after I assigned the task, it went straight away in reviewing everything that I gave it. It's also showing me its sort of thought process as it's going through and assessing for completeness. It also makes recommendations. I simply responded back in the comments and I gave it some corrections to make as it's assessing more and more projects and portfolios. I can use this to then go off and have those conversations or follow up with those leaders about the specific state of their projects. This would normally take me 3 to 4 hours of dedicated focus time to hand click through projects and portfolios, cross-reference this with comments and notes from an offsite. Now using the AI teammate, I've cut down that manual time from 3 to 4 hours to about 45 minutes, which is significant time savings. What that's allowed me to do is use my time for more strategic management of these projects. This has been a huge unlock.
That's how we're using AI Teammates for strategic planning on our team. Thanks so much for joining me today. And if you want to learn more, check out the description below.